Hi folks, Professor Rick here. Today we're going to talk about vector data. Vector data, as you recall, points, lines, and polygons. Today we're going to be talking about polygons. What is a polygon? Well, it's an area feature, and it's an enclosed geometric shape. One of the aspects of the polygon is it has to be closed. A line feature that goes around and closes. Now, common polygon features are thought of as building footprints, maybe a county boundary, a state boundary, a park, a wetland. Well, today we're going to be showing you two different types, and the first is probably the most common for environmental folks, and that's a wetland. What makes a wetland? What is the boundaries of a wetland? Now, if you look behind me, we have a small wetland here, maybe an acre or so. And if you look behind, you'll see the boundary. This polygon is bounded by trees, okay? So we have a definitive border for the polygon. Bounded by trees, we've got, over here we have a culvert. The culvert is actually going into the canal over there. So if we look at this wetland, we can see all the data in the form of vector data, points, lines, and polygons that interact with that. But more on that later. So we have this enclosed area. We can find the actual area. If you're, like I said, if you're an environmentalist, environmental scientist, you can also look at the vegetation. What are the attributes of this? What's the depth? What kind of plants and animals are in this habitat? These are all things that we capture in GIS. Now, I picked this particular wetland because right across from it, maybe 100 feet away, here we have a ball field. Again, here's another polygon feature. This ball field is bordered by a fence. We can see in there, we can see the clay for home base and the other bases. This is another form of a polygon. So in this case, we have two distinct polygons. One for perhaps city planning, one for environmental planners. In the following videos, we're going to be talking about the other vector features, the points and lines. So go out there, use the data, try to figure out what a polygon is, and we'll get more information to you as time goes on. Thanks.